Here at the COBB Tuning Innovation Research and Development Laboratories, our engineers have been hard at work in order to perfect a shift knob that would not only provide increased tactile tingulation in the phalanges, but would also de-increase shifts by 1/10,000th of a picosecond. Such a device is the white COBB knob. Previous iterations were formulated with a post-famulated organic structure which would interfere with the pre-phased cofergs on the backing plate. With the new moldable organic petrochemicals, the cofergs are now in alignment, and using our Vision 3 Ektachrome magnifier, our quality control specialists can confirm that we are ASA 800 production standard compliant. And finally, the beautiful egg white finish, pronounced Hivtur in Icelandic, is so unique it can only be obtained using our proprietary coop nest collator, or CNC for short. The white COBB knob. Give your hand the job of a lifetime. Available at cobbtuning.com and fine retailers everywhere.